Hey guys, welcome back to my dog Gabby's YouTube channel. So today I'm just gonna be playing with some lovely slime. So let's get started. Okay, so seriously, questions. So if you want a shout out, you gotta leave your name down in the comments down below. If you want a shout out. And you guys been leaving me comments saying, when are you gonna start gaming on my dog Gabby's YouTube channel? I was like, well, you guys ain't listening to me, and you guys are not giving me to 100 subscribers, and not giving me to 100 likes. So I don't know. Like, some of you people love me. I started YouTube in 2011. In 2011, I think I was like, like 3. Because in 2016, I was 6. So I might have been 3 in 2011. So I might have started it in 2019 or 2018. I'm guessing 2019. Oh. When in my life you think that crunch is an awesome crunch. So I'm gonna add a little bit of April bath and shower, cherry blossom scent, body wash. Don't know what those two bottom words say. Be a close up if you want to read it. Ugh. So here's our close up about those words. Here's the back. Someone won't focus. It won't focus for some reason. I don't know how to fix that problem. Oh. Slime. So edible slime. Okay, that might be better. Okay, so here's your close-up. Wait, okay, let me make it a lot more crunchier. So this is how I put it back in my container. So I take get out of there. So I take a ruler, right? I recommend doing this, but you guys don't have to recommend it if you don't want to. Problem, sit. Problem done. Hack, really big life hack, actually. So make sure you hit that like button and kick that subscribe button and see y'all later. Bye.